Self-care is not just one of those terms people throw out there. I really, really mean it, that if you want to get yourself healthy as soon as possible, you need to do activities that are designed only for your own happiness. Self-care is important for so many reasons, and it is the most neglected part of health there is. I've been doing this for a long time with people. This is all I do, okay, is disease reversal. You know, there's folks out there who write books about it, who have a regular medical practice, who like do a little dabble in disease reversal or something. This is all I do, which is why I have the enormous results that I have. And so it's really important to know that there are multiple aspects of this, right? So I have seen over the course of a dozen years that there are people who are happy, great self-care routines, very mellow, good relationships. I give them the nutrition, 2 weeks, their symptoms are gone. I've had that happen many times. Then there's everybody else who have high stress, poor self-care, negative relationships, and give them the nutrition, and there's ups and downs and good days and bad days, and it's this much longer process, which, hey, it's still worth it, right? But once I get them to embrace self-care, their stress levels come down, and then they get on the same trajectory as the other folks. So I've done this enough times now that I make it a necessary component of my rapid recovery program. If I'm only going to see you for 4 weeks one-on-one or 6 weeks in my group, I need to get you better in the shortest period possible. And the shortest period possible will be the rapid recovery nutrition and optimal self-care and sleep. All of those dialed in at the same time. Because understand that stress, negative relationships, depression, anxiety, trauma, all of these things disrupt your cortisol levels, create inflammation. Literally, inflammatory markers are elevated in people with depression, trauma, stress, just like they are in people with autoimmune disease. So if we can bring down the stress from all of those things and increase happiness, they heal faster. And even better, they heal faster and they're happy. And the happiness is a really important part of this, right? You can be happy with disease and you can be miserable without it. But if you can be happy and not have a disease, that's the goal I have for people. I'm not just trying to get people less symptomatic. I want to get people living their best lives possible. So self-care is not just one of those terms people throw out there. I really, really mean it, that if you want to get yourself healthy as soon as possible, you need to do activities that are designed only for your own happiness. That's what self-care is. I'm not talking about brushing your teeth as self-care, taking a shower. I'm talking about dedicated activities for your own emotional, mental health stress levels. And some of you are going to need more of it, and some of you need less of it.